96 Impala teardown video part 2. I cleaned up the trunk jam best I could. Cleaned under the trunk lid. Put all the extra removed trim panels in the trunk out of the way. Removed the seats. Clean the door jambs. On the positive side, 3/4 of the floor is in good shape. Oh, what's the look? 2 in a row rusted out at this level. So I've cleaned everything to the door jambs. I'll still take a vacuum and clean up all the loose rust. I did that on the Monte Carlo after that video. And I've even contacted a good painter and sent him pictures. I'm about to send him pictures of this now and see if we can get some ideas of what we can do here. Alright, hopefully that's not too much of a motivation killer. And I can keep going on the parts. I got just about everything removed except the rear seat, dash, and headliner. And the rear deck package tray. Alright, thanks for watching. Be back with something.